It seems like recently, like all of the good agents are inherently these file-based agents. They have their own sort of directory structures, their own file system, and they're just using files more and more. Naturally, when these agents were trained, they were trained on sort of the unstructured data, the internet, websites, books, magazines, and so they kind of are very used to this idea of like looking through information the way that like people look through information, just kind of this like file-like sort of unstructured way. If you think about how am I supposed to work with these agents, there's no sort of standard structure. You don't go somewhere and click a button necessarily. You start to treat them kind of like you treat like a contractor. You start to say, for this task, you should only look at this kind of info. And I want this output to be like sort of reflecting on that. So you almost like create like a workspace. This is kind of like a folder of data that you have these inputs and outputs on. Like if I'm working on some very critical like HR info for employees, you want that to be different than like if you're working on an M&A project where you have some very critical type of conclusion of risk that you're looking for. And so you almost need these like areas that you work on these things, and you want to make sure that you don't cross pollute these. So you need to have this like concept of permissions and this concept of making sure that humans, but also agents, don't mix and match data and they don't move it out of these kind of protected areas. Systems like Box have this, which is just like a unit of work, which is like a folder and with a structure associated with it where people just sort of know these are the inputs, outputs, permissions, and everything associated with it. And so this is naturally how agents are evolving, is to work in the same kind of way.